said parenting was easy. Tears, tantrums, and tearing your hair out. But don't worry. You can make life with your little one easier with these handy parenting hacks. So interesting. Coffee and a magazine. This is the ideal me time. So peaceful. My pajamas! I'm soaked!
Did you see my jump? What you doing? Why are your clothes wet? Did you spill coffee? Why'd you do that?
Hi, sweetie.
Hi, Mom! Bye, Mom!
It's okay. Just breathe. She didn't. They didn't. Oh my.
Boo! Scared you! Oops.
Not again. Why you… Where did she go? A nice glass of soda before bed. No. It can't be. What was that? She's near. No. Please no. I need to hide. She'll never find me here. Phew! Safe at last. Now to enjoy this cool, refreshing soda.
Got you! This is fun! Hi, Mom!
What did I do to deserve this? I just want a soda.
Mom? Mom? Are you okay? Oh, I get it! Don't worry, Mom. I know what to do. I just need a balloon and some scissors. Cut off the top and bottom of the balloon. Stretch the balloon over a glass of soda. And you have a non-spill cup!
Clean at last. Just stay over there.
Here, Mom. I made you a drink.
For me?
I hope you like it. Love you, Mom!
Don't! Stop it! Be careful! The drink. It's not spilling. Wow. Love you too, sweetheart. Morning, sleepyhead. Time for breakfast. Lovely lumpy oatmeal.
Yuck! I'm not eating that! I'm out of here!
Full of goodness. Where does she go? Get back here! Your oatmeal is going cold! Stop it!
Nana can't catch me! Over here! Behind you!
That's enough! Put this on.
A t-shirt? I'm trapped! I don't like this.
Extra lumps. Here comes the airplane! Nom nom nom!
Yuck!
Good girl. I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier. Just home from the salon. I love this haircut. What the? There are dirty marks everywhere. Ugh. They go in there. Oh no. The bathroom. Hello? It's everywhere! There's something behind the shower curtain. Don't be scared. Got you!
Oh, hi, Mom!
Ooh, ugh, so messy. Look at you. Chocolate bars? Phew. I thought it was… Hand over the chocolate.
But they're mine!
Hand them over.
Not fair!
You ate all this chocolate? I know. Put some chocolate in a bowl. Melt it. Dip a spoon in the melted chocolate. And then into some sprinkles. A chocolate popsicle on a spoon. I have a treat for you.
Oh, wow!
Here you go.
Both? For me? Yummy! Thanks, Mom!
You're welcome, honey. Now I need to deal with this mess.
Home from school. Now we can have some fun! Soda and french fries. Tasty! Gulp.
Soda is bad for your teeth! That's disgusting! You will eat healthy!
Sorry?
No, you don't! Drink this carrot juice and eat this carrot!
A carrot? But Mom, I don't like carrots.
Eat it!
I want french fries!
But vegetables are good for you! Ah, well, more carrot for me. Wait a minute. This toy gives me an idea. Fill the popper with carrot juice. Freeze it. Put the frozen carrot strips in a french fry box. Ready! Oh, sweetheart! Dinner's ready!
I don't want yucky vegetables!
I've made something special for you. Ta-da!
French fries? Yummy! These taste great!
She'll never know. Oh, I need a lot of coffee.
Morning, Mommy!
Would you like breakfast?
Frosties! Frosties! Frosties!
Okay. Here you go. I'll get a bowl. Just wait a minute. No bowls. Ugh, I need to buy a dishwasher. Maybe I could use this spoon. Nope. Yuck. What should I do? Maybe if I… I know! A little cut here, a cut there.
Mom?
Almost there. Done! Time for the milk. A nice clean bowl. There you go, darling.
Wow! Thanks, Mom! A huge bowl of Frosties all for me! Mmm!
Which parent hack would you use to make life easier? Let us know in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.